Here we have another Air, but this time they've actually managed to squeeze a cooling fan inside its ultra-thin body. It's the yet-to-be-released Red Magic 11 Air. Let's unbox it together.
Open it, then open it again.
We'll ignore the cover. Let's see the actual device. I can gasp. The transparent glass back cover. It still has that very distinct Red Magic style. And this time, when I run my hand over this glass back cover, it feels incredibly smooth and rounded. Let's take a look at the edges here. It's a beautifully curved glass back cover, and the camera array this time, its arrangement looks incredibly harmonious. Then look at the side bezel. It's incredibly thin. You know, for a gaming phone, especially one with a cooling fan, it's surprisingly thin. And it even has gaming triggers. Look, these triggers on both sides. The entire bezel gives you a texture, just like a mecha style. But the back cover feels incredibly smooth. I didn't expect it to fit so perfectly, given how light and thin the body is, you know? The curved design is excellent, and the design under the transparent back cover is also very interesting. It looks like a circuit board design, but I think it's more of a cooling channel design. And this Red Magic logo, you see, it flashes with the light reflection. It's very cool. Not only does this logo have RGB lights, but even after the fan is turned on, it also has these colorful lights to choose from. And the position of this fan, it feels just like a real camera. Very compact. Screen on!
Let's take a look at the screen on the front here. It's still Red Magic's very iconic Wukong display. The front has absolutely no punch hole design, and the bezels on all four sides are also made extremely narrow. The visual impact it creates is still very powerful.
After so many generations of updates, the front camera's placement is truly completely hidden from view. And speaking of which, it seems that up until now, only Red Magic can offer you this kind of front-facing visual experience. This includes the active cooling fan, which Red Magic also pioneered. Next, we'll show you just how incredibly powerful this cooling fan truly is.
Wow!
As a gaming phone, it features a true full-screen display, and with its thinner, flatter body, holding it horizontally for gaming is truly effortless. So, if you ask me, this Red Magic 11 Air is the most special Air this year. It boasts a true full-screen display, an active cooling fan, and this cool, sleek design. As for hardware specs and gaming performance, that's Red Magic's DNA, so there's no need to elaborate. We'll give you a detailed hands-on of the full hardware configuration after its release.